welcome new friends. Yeah, this is a short sword. Yeah, this is all real samurai sword. Yeah, functional. Yeah, but all samurai sword just for training, collection. Yeah, not so don't hurt somebody else. Use real samurai sword. Yeah, just respect samurai sword. On the Cupid blade, Titan steel with real Hamon line. You can see the handle, rosewood, nature color and nature pattern. Slice the paper easily. This ninja sword. Do you love this ninja sword? Piano pen finished wooden scabbard. Shiny black. The guard iron plated with black color. You can see this blade. It look like polished spring steel with very good flexibility. I will show you this medium size sword. Okay, so after this one, yeah. Piano pen finished wooden scabbard. You can see this color, the coat color. Yeah, reflect, very pure. Yeah, elegant. Damascus steel. You can see Damascus steel pattern with real Hamon line. This blade is also very beautiful. You can see not like the Shinogi Juku blade. This one is Unukyubi Juku blade. You can see tip to tip, yeah, like second. Also functional blade. Yeah, clay tempered with real Hamon line. Each blade has a full-tang. Yeah, functional. This one is a short sjsword. It's a short sjsword. You can see without guard, wooden scabbard, wooden handle. You can see this piano pen finished wooden scabbard. The blade also blue. Damascus steel, special thread with the blue color. This one very beautiful. Some of us were from our customer just love this one and purchase this one for collection. Yeah, very beautiful, elegant to display this one on the rack.